participants, and most importantly, seekers of knowledge and truth. It is both an honor and a responsibility to join you today as chief guest at the second international conference on critical case studies. It's my first visit to the UMD, and believe me, I'm much impressed with the facilities and the way the education is imparted over here. So all credit goes to the team and professors and the educators who are over here. Mashallah, great job you people are doing with the nation, with the students, and with the community. So a medal from my side for that. Thank you. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, the year 2025 has indeed marked an era of profound global disruption, what we might call a critical rupture in the prevailing world order. This conference has asked us not only to examine the material consequences of that disruption, but to interrogate the ethical and institutional framework that have enabled it. The theme of this conference have a compelling analysis of three interconnected disruptions. The unapologetic destruction of Gaza, not as an isolated tragedy, but as emblematic of the collapse of the international rule-based order, and the entrenchment of what many have rightly described as techno-fascism, exemplified by the re-emergence of Trumpism in the United States of America. Second, the climate catastrophe, such as wildfires in California and the ongoing flood situation in our country, are putting cases in point. These catastrophic events make no distinctions amongst its effective when they unleash the forces of nature, implicating people who consider themselves insulated by wealth and geography, revealing that the planetary crisis is no longer a future threat but a present condition. Third, and the arrival of autonomous artificial intelligence, which challenges not only how we teach and learn, but how we understand authorship, accountability, and the human condition itself within the domain of knowledge production. These disruptions are not random. They are symptoms of structural and historical logics that have operated under the guise of modernity, development, and progress. Our contributors have challenged that we identify as the coloniality principle, a concept that extends beyond formal colonialism to describe the enduring hierarchies of race, capital, knowledge, and power that continue to shape global systems. Within this paradigm, we must critically examine the US coloniality principle, a geographical order sustained through militarism, economic coercion, and cultural dominance increasingly enacted through technological and algorithmic means. The modern colonial Zionist principle, a structure of the settler colonial logic and expansionism, is in Palestine, operating through the erasure of indigenous business, legal manipulation, and the normalization of pervasive civilian oppression. In Gaza, we see the most urgent manifestation of these principles. Several sessions have argued that the destruction of Palestinian life and its structure